I'm Celestine, and I graduated from the Carthage physics program in 2020. I'm currently an aerospace engineering PhD student at the University of Colorado Boulder. Here, I research the electromagnetic properties of carbon fiber composites, and the reason we're looking into that is that if we could make antennas out of this material, we could integrate them into the body frames of aircraft and supercars and other things to decrease system mass and lower the overall aerodynamic drag. So as well as being a PhD student, I work part-time at an aerospace company where I work on computational physics simulations of various military scenarios to help inform some government decision makers. So in both of these positions, I heavily use the background that I gained as an undergraduate at Carthage in the physics program, which is very rewarding. And so my job titles are technically aerospace engineer and tactical mission analyst, but really at the end of the day, I'm just doing physics, which is what I prefer. Both roles that I have require a fundamental understanding of advanced electromagnetics that I could really only get in a major that physics. Nothing else could really provide that background that was needed for these positions. But I also needed to have extensive research experience to qualify for both of my roles. And Carthage has provided exceptional opportunities for both of these. The professors have curated comprehensive coursework that's superior to other programs, and there's leading NASA-funded research happening in the department. So when I applied to be a PhD student here, and also at the aerospace company I work for, I was told that I was selected over applicants from top-ranked universities and engineering programs because as a student at Carthage, I was allowed to work on really important research, and I didn't have to fight graduate students to get those opportunities. I was also able to communicate the fundamental physics behind the research, which isn't necessarily a background that you would get in a typical engineering program or a typical program at one of these universities. So that was really important when I was applying to these positions. But when I was in your shoes, when I was a high schooler and I was trying to decide where I wanted to go to school, I chose Carthage because one, it's beautiful, the lake is awesome, but I really liked math and science, and I thought that working for NASA could be really awesome. But what I didn't quite recognize is that what I was really signing up for was an unparalleled support system from professors and student colleagues, and that the career options I would have were substantial. I mean, I have friends that I worked with that have gone on to work in medical physics, video game physics engine design, virtual reality software, I have some in entrepreneurship and finance. We're all over the place. So if you like math and science and you're willing to put in the work, physics could be a great choice for you. And especially doing physics at Carthage, it's a guarantee that if you do put in the work, that you could have just about any career that you want. And one of the best things about choosing Carthage and the physics program is that the faculty will help you figure out what it is that you want to do for the rest of your life while you're there.